Hey, what's up ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Driven Dave here with another great video. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, I'd really appreciate it. Today on the channel, from my friends at Evooor, we've got some really cool rim protectors. So we're gonna start by unboxing those and checking those out. Let's get into it. All right, so I've gone ahead and I've opened the tape on the package, but I have not checked out what's inside, so let's take a look. Looks like we've got a microfiber cloth, which is great. Always like those. And it looks like we have some adhesion promoter. Looks like one for each wheel. Now this is cool. Before I show y'all, I mean, you'll probably see it in the thumbnail, but bam, check that out. I decided to go with the yellow because it matches my carpool stickers. I know that's a little wild. They offer black and a bunch of different colors, but I just kind of wanted to give my car a little bit of the flair. So that's what we're doing. Now, the thing that's really cool about Evoor's rim protectors, I don't know if you can hear that, but these are actually like a metal alloy. So these are gonna stand up to some pretty nasty hits, which is what we want them for, right? So all you have to do is make sure the wheel's nice and clean. I went ahead and I took my wheel covers off, which I don't think you have to do, but I just really wanted to get my wheels nice and clean before doing this. So that's why you see them like this. Now, even in the best case scenario, because like I really try and take care of my car, my wheels have a lot of curb rash after 49,000 miles. So that's pretty crazy to think about. As I mentioned, I did wash the car. Well, I washed the wheels. I took the covers off and I hit these with soap and water. So, and then I cleaned them with a microfiber. Didn't do the best of job. As you can see, still getting a lot of stuff off of here. So I think the idea is you just want to get these nice and clean so the adhesive is going to stick to that rim. And you also want to wait 6 hours before driving the car. But that works out for me. I have to work right after this, and the car's going to sit for about 6 hours. So, and it's right down the street, so I think I'll be just fine. So I've gone ahead and I've put on my aero cover here, and then we're just going to clean around. I'm going to clean around the edge here with this adhesion promoter. Okay. And that's going to just clean this whole surface area. Smells really good too. We're going to clean all of that up. Wipe my hands off. And then I'm going to start by removing, sorry for my dirty hands, but I've been cleaning my wheels off. So I'm just going to take this protective clear plastic off the front here, and I'd recommend peeling it slowly. Go ahead and take all of that off. And as you can see from the back, it's got this 3M adhesive. So I'm going to just get started by pulling a little bit of that off, okay? And then I'm going to start kind of lining this up on the lip of the rim here, and just going to pull away as I go. And kind of feeling out the rest. There you have it. You just want to go around the whole thing, make sure that it's nice and tight, or nice and on there. Boom, check that out. That is slick. Move all this junk out of the way so you get a better shot, and I'll get you nice and nice and close on this. That is beautiful. All right, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out Evooor, all the great stuff they have on their website with ways you can modify your car to make it cooler and more functional, and yours most importantly. I'll have discount codes and referral links and all that good stuff. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, and I will see you very soon in the next one. Stay driven.
Perfect.